Equipped with powerful 4-cores chip. This is a top-class 4-core chip. 14nm 2T computing power. It can start up quickly in 3 seconds under the video recording of the 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. The whole operating system is very smooth without delay. The boot speed of other models with the same configuration on the market is more than 10 seconds because they use a single core chip. 24 hours parking monitor only works on an external power source. If someone hits your car and the impact reaches the G sensor level, the camera will turn on and record video, then locks it and saves it. Loop recording. New recordings will overwrite older footage when the memory card reaches full capacity, but will skip the emergency locked video. Locked files will not be overwritten. The built-in G sensor in dash cam activates upon impact and records videos. The 3-axis impact G sensor data ensures precise emergency recording of when and where the impact occurred and dockets the file to aid a further investigation. Front camera 4K 2160p plus rear camera 1080p. Up to 8 million pixels to achieve true 38/42,160p 4K UHD resolution, which can help us capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. If you don't choose rear camera, it is single lens, adopt upgraded H.265 video code. Compared with H.264 video code, H.265 has better image quality and use less storage. SPACE reduced by more than 30%. A wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. One wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. The product connects wireless CarPlay and Android Auto via Bluetooth. Then it will automatically switch to Wi-Fi for data transmission. Then you can use GPS navigation, make a call, receive and dispatch messages, listen to music, etc. Support Android 10 or above mobile phone. Not include Huawei mobile phone. 2 wired CarPlay and Android Auto. Not only supports Android 10 or above mobile phone, but also supports old Android mobile phone. Solve the pain point that the old Android mobile phone can't support screen projection problem. Not support Huawei mobile phone. AUX FM transmission plus O listen to music via 2 different ways. Connection. 1. Built-in dual-channel FM transmitter. Just pair it with your car once, then it can be connected automatically, which can help you enjoy stereo car sound quality. 2. With O-port. We'll send you O-line for free. You can use O-line to connect your car O-port. Then it can transfer the music to your car, which can help you enjoy car sound quality. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it can be connected to a mobile phone. You can preview real-time images to view historical records and quickly download pictures. With the latest 5 GHz technology, the video transmission speed will be faster and smoother than the traditional 2.4 GHz. In CarPlay mode, the DVR can realize the GPS navigation function, and you can directly wake up the voice assistant and say your destination. It will help you plan your route, which is more convenient and safe for your drive. Note: the DVR itself does not have GPS navigation software, which can automatic correct time, display the vehicle speed and record speed coordinates, and track. Then you can check the video playback in the Roadcam app. Need to choose GPS antenna set meal. Support 1080p full screen reverse image, and with guideline. When reversing, the system will automatically turn on the high-definition reversing camera at the rear of the car and clearly display the state of the rear of the car on the reverse IP screen, so that you can accurately grasp the road conditions at the rear. The preview angle can be adjusted by sliding the left side of the screen to control the position of the guideline.